Streets in one Round Rock neighborhood have seen better days, but updates are coming soon.
This week, the City Council approved a $300,000 contract with a Kansas-based company to lay a new type of asphalt throughout the neighborhood. As KXAN's Will Dupree explains, it's supposed to be more durable and last much longer.
We just love this area.
The Bent Tree neighborhood in Round Rock has a lot to offer for Ashley Doleslager and her 4 active sons.
They bike, they play, they razor.
But they're not crazy about the condition of their streets.
We've just had, some problems.
Water drainage issues cause portions of the street in front of their house to crumble. They're looking forward to the road work just announced by the city.
This neighborhood is so nice that it would be great just for them to make it, even nicer.
The city is contracting with a company from Wichita. Its crews will lay down a relatively new product called high-density mineral bond. The company compares it to an armor-like shell that goes onto the asphalt and keeps it from cracking as much.
I'm excited for our neighborhood to get something, cutting edge, state-of-the-art that should last a long time.
The improvements to the roads here in the Bent Tree neighborhood are part of a larger effort to repair and preserve residential streets throughout the city. In July, the city chose another contractor to take on several other road projects in these neighborhoods. Altogether, the city is spending about $3 million this fiscal year on street improvements. Ashley and her 4 sons think smoother streets will help playtime last a lot longer.
We need them outside as much as we can, so get the energy out.
Will Dupree, KXAN News.
The city says the asphalt overlay only takes 24 hours to dry once it's applied, so the entire project should last about 30 days when it begins in November. It's been laid down in other Texas cities, including Seguin, Midland, and Allen.